first book that comes to mind is probably The Polar Express. I can't say that it teaches you a lot about Santa Claus, but it definitely teaches you about the spirit of Christmas, about belief. That is the theme of the book. It's faith. And so reading this book kind of will help you to understand your goal as Santa Claus, I would say, is to help people believe. And I think that's got to be your first thing you develop. Next would definitely be The Night Before Christmas, or A Visit from St. Nicholas by Clement Seymour. It has influenced in every degree our modern understanding of who Santa Claus is. There are probably hundreds, if not even a couple thousand versions of this poem, either written in poetry anthologies, both Christmas and non, or written as individual copies with illustrated ones. I'd steer clear of the anthologies to a degree, but I definitely focus on the illustrated ones because you're going to find pictures of Santa Claus that I think could help you develop your own unique look